Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add Sigma symbol in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to add the Sigma symbol. Go to the insert menu. Select the text box option and draw a text box. Now I am use a shortcut key. Press and hold the Alt, then write 229. We can see we make a sigma symbol easily. You can increase the size. Otherwise, the summation symbol is a sigma symbol also. Then we go to the insert menu, click the equation option and select the a large operator and choose the summation. Now we can see the summation is also a sigma. Now we can see we add a sigma symbol in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.